Good morning. I can't believe it's freaking snowing right now. Like little flurries in the middle of April. Makes no sense. Anyway, last night I was leaving work and the town car ABS light came on again. So I decided to pull it in the shop real quick. I don't remember the code. It was like C1139 or I don't know. Front right wheel speed sensor open. And I was like, well, that's weird. Open. So that means broke connection somewhere or corrosion, something. Could be anything. So internal fault, like internally, like the resistances, maybe the broken wire, disconnected wire somewhere. So I climbed under the front of the car and I disconnected the connector to the right front wheel speed hub assembly on the back side, unplugged it, sprayed it out with a little brake clean. I know, should have used electrical cleaner or something like that, but I used some brake clean, then blew it out, and then put a little dab of xg12 electrical grease in the connector and plugged it all back in. And the pedal pulsation come into a slow stop, quit, the light cleared, everything cleared. So I'm gonna drive it a couple days and see if maybe if it wasn't just a connection issue, and that's all it was. So that's the update to the ABS traction control light coming on the town car. But really the main symptom that I was seeing overall was when you'd come to a real slow stop, less than 5 miles an hour, all of a sudden you'd feel your pedal go woo, 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 and you could feel a little ABS small tiny actuation go on, and then it would quit until your next stop. Sometimes it would be every time, and sometimes it wouldn't be, just a couple times. But since last night and cleaning the connector and stuff out and plugging everything back in, it cleared. It never came back. It didn't even like malfunction like the pedal thing or anything anymore. See what happens.